the state of Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has once again rigged up the population control debate. This time, the Chief Minister has stated that Assam government is going to take some specific policy measures to slow down the growth of minority population with an aim to eradicate poverty and illiteracy. Let's straight away go across to my colleague Arindam joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Arindam, firstly, explain to us what exactly has the Chief Minister said about the growth in minorities population.
Yes, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma has been stating again and again that Assam needs a population control policy, particularly about the control of the Muslim population in the state. He has said that Assam government is being able to manage the population control policy to 1.6%. But if you break the statistics, the growth of the Hindu population is 10%, whereas the growth of the Muslim population is 29%. So he has once again reiterated that there needs to be a proper population control policy for the Muslim community in the state. In fact, he has stated that there needs to be some specific schemes that needs to be taken up, like free education for girl child up to university levels, and also certain reservations in panchayat and rural areas. So these are some of the specific things that the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, has stated once again. In fact, he has been saying it again and again. In fact, earlier also he said that anybody who has to avail benefits from government schemes or government benefits has to follow the government population control policy. Particularly, he said that very soon the Assam government will bring a population control policy for anybody to get benefits from the government. So these are the things
Arindam, request you to stay on with us. We have Times Now's contributor Shehzad Poonawalla joining us on the broadcast as well. We have my colleague Amit also live with us right now. Shehzad, to you first. It's not the first time that we've seen Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma talk about population control. In fact, ever since he has become the Chief Minister, several instances can be quoted wherein he is raking up this issue. But how do you see this current statement? And, critics clearly are now trying to suggest that this is yet another way to push Hindutva.
Well, those who are close to Himanta Biswa Sarma are saying that it is unfortunate that a population control measure is being seen through communal lens, because the legislation has been passed by the Assam Assembly and the provisions that have been put in place apply to all equally. But these are facts that the Muslim population of Assam is growing at a faster rate. And if you see the TFR, the total fertility between 2001 to 2011, it has been higher for the Muslims by almost twice or 2 times compared to the Hindu population rate. And even the growth rate in Assam of Muslims between 2001 to 2011 has been higher than the national average and higher than the growth in the Hindu community. And therefore, what Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma is saying is that he wants to incentivize the Muslim community by making the women of a Muslim community more aware, educate them, make them more financially independent, because population explosion is actually a function of poverty and lack of awareness. And therefore, he is slamming those who are trying to now bring a communal spin to it. But it would also be important to note that the Congress party and others who are now trying to suggest that this is a communal move, well, they have allied with AUDF, which said that Muslims will never follow any population control measures. This was an on-record statement of Badruddin Ajmal. So on the one hand, they support people who have communalized this issue. On the other hand, when incentives are being taken to include Muslim women into these population control programs, well, that is being slammed as communal.
राइट शहजाद, स्टे ऑन विद अस. अमित, जो बीजेपी के बाकी नेता है यहाँ नई दिल्ली में खास करके, उनका किस तरह से देखना है इस पूरे स्टेटमेंट को जो हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा की तरफ से आया है?
देखिए, सरकार लेवल पे भले ही ये बात को खुलकर ना कहा जाए कि वो जनसंख्या नियंत्रण की तरफ आगे बढ़ रही है, लेकिन हाँ, पार्टी के भीतर तमाम ऐसे नेता हैं जो इस बात को मानते हैं और वो कहते आए हैं कि वक्त आ गया है कि जनसंख्या नियंत्रण कि एक पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए। सिर्फ असम की बात नहीं करें, आपको कुछ दिन पहले अगर याद हो तो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार भी इस तरह की एक योजना या पॉलिसी लाने पर विचार कर रही है, और उसने बाकायदा जो उनका लॉ कमीशन है उन्हें कहा है कि आप देखिए कैसे पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल के लिए हम एक पॉलिसी लाएं। ये बीजेपी के कोर ग्रुप में, कोर इश्यूज़ में से है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं इस बात को लेकर आशंका जताई जा रही है कि जिस तरह से मुस्लिम पॉपुलेशन का ग्रोथ रेट है वो बहुत तेज़ है। हिंदुओं में लगातार आप देखिए कि मिडिल क्लास फैमिली जो है, अब पिछले कुछ दिनों में देखा जा रहा है कि अब वो एक बच्चे, जो खास करके शहरी इलाके में जो लोग रहते हैं, अब वो एक बच्चे में आकर रुक गए हैं, एक बच्चे से ज़्यादा परिवार बढ़ा ही नहीं रहे हैं। तो एक बात ये हो रही है कि जो रिसोर्सेज की बात आ रही है वो तो है ही कि रिसोर्सेज पे अगर पॉपुलेशन कम होगा तो उसका रिसोर्सेज का ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होगा, लेकिन पॉपुलेशन जिस तरह से मुस्लिमों का बढ़ रहा है उससे ये आशंका भी उनको हो रहा है, जो बीजेपी नेता या तमाम लोग कहते हैं कि बाद में डेमोग्राफी बदल जाएगी जिसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत बुरा होने वाला है। तो यही वजह है, हेमंत बिश्व शर्मा ने एक अच्छी बात ये कही कि वो थोपना नहीं चाहते हैं, कोई रूल बनाना नहीं चाहते हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि इस तरह की आवाज़ मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के अंदर से आए कि हाँ वक्त आ गया है कि इस चीज़ को रोका जाए, कंट्रोल किया जाए, क्योंकि जो चाहे महिलाएं हों चाहे बच्चियां हों, जिनको अच्छी फैसिलिटी की ज़रूरत है, भविष्य में उनको तभी मिल पाएगा जब पॉपुलेशन कम होगा और रिसोर्सेज का प्रॉपर आप कह सकते हैं कि इंतज़ाम हो। तो यही वजह है कि बीजेपी के कई नेताओं ने पार्लियामेंट के भीतर भी प्राइवेट मेंबर बिल के तौर पर पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल बिल को लेकर आया था, चर्चा की है। एक माहौल बनाने की कोशिश ज़रूर इस बीजेपी सरकार में हो रही है कि पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल की तरफ बढ़ा जाए, और मुझे लगता है कि धीरे धीरे आप देखिएगा, अभी नहीं 1 साल या 2 साल के बाद इस पर सरकार की तरफ से भी खुलकर बातचीत शुरू हो जाएगी कि जब पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल को लेकर एक पॉलिसी की तरफ केंद्र सरकार भी बढ़ती नजर आएगी आपको।
जी, आप बने रहिए हमारे साथ। अमित, शहजाद and Arindam continue to be with us as well. We are also getting a political reaction on this particular story. Let's listen in.
It has also been implemented in the states of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. But it has had no difference whatsoever as far as the increase of population is concerned. It's not the matter of Hindus or Muslims, but the population control policy is the need of the hour for the country. That is what we believe. But it should be implemented with absolutely clear laws, and it should be very, very strict. Then only it can have some effects in the coming, and the future of our country could be better if we control the population. That is what we think. As far as Assam is concerned, that doesn't make a difference. It's in India. If you want to implement the population control policy, it has to implement it pan-India. Then only it might have some substantial effects.
Let's go across to Shehzad once again. Shehzad, now the question that many are asking is that why target one specific community here? If indeed the idea, the intention is population control, then why not bring a uniform policy for everyone in the state of Assam? Why specifically target one community? Because that's when the intent gets questioned.
Well, what we are being told, and the conversation that we're having, is that the law, that the provisions that have been passed apply to all communities equally. What the Chief Minister of Assam is, however, talking about is about incentivizing and disincentivizing communities that are faltering in population control by giving them specific incentives and disincentives. And therefore, what he is saying is that this is not a communal move. This is, in fact, a move to actually bring out those communities which are not being able to follow for whatever reasons, either because the political leadership of that community is not trying to allow them to apply these provisions properly amongst themselves, or because of certain other considerations.
Right.
These initiatives are only being taken to help those communities which are not being able to follow these population control laws in a better way, and therefore financial
Right.
inclusion for Muslim women, educating Muslim women. These are some of the steps that are being taken.
Right.
That's what we are being.
Right. Shehzad, requesting you to stay on with us. We have Majid Memon of the NCP now joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon, Mr. Memon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to react to what Assam Chief Minister has said about the issue of population control?
Good afternoon to all your viewers. See, first, I must make myself clear that as far as population is concerned, it cannot be in isolation taken on record from state point of view. After all, it's the Indian population. Now, there is no bar for any group of people, say 100,000, 5,000, 10,000 people to migrate from one state to another state. for job, for education, for whatever it be. So the population of a state is always fluctuating. People may come in, people may go without any legal bar. So therefore, to say that there is a apprehension that a particular religious people are growing faster than others, in fact, it's a national policy. Population should be taken as a national problem, and we have to ensure that there is a balance. And if there is a family planning device suggested by the Indian Parliament, and if some law comes, then it would be uniformly applied to the entire country from top to bottom. It is not in one particular state like West Bengal, we may have more Muslims. Assam, we may have more Muslims. Kashmir, we have majority of Muslims. But then it's all dependent on very many circumstances, very many factors. So a chief minister, taking a cautious note that the Muslim population is growing and therefore let us, but then the suggestion of the chief minister to grant incentive to control population irrespective of religion, irrespective of which particular group you belong to, is welcome. Because we have to ensure that when every Indian citizen gets all the dues that are, all the rights that are due to him.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Majid Memon. Appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Thank you very much, Amit, Shehzad, as well as Arindam for joining us on this particular story. We have to now quickly move